In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page on Squarespace for the year 25. We'll take you step by step through the process to ensure you have a smooth experience and to help you customize your site beautifully. To begin, let's head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll notice the interface is modern and easy to navigate, which helps simplify the site building process. Now, take a closer look at the top topics available. You'll want to find the one that best fits your needs. Making sure you select the right topic will help narrow down your options and tailor your experience to create a login page that's perfect for your site. Next, locate the search bar. This tool is your gateway to discovering more specific templates and options. Once you've input your desired keywords, browse the results and carefully choose the one that aligns with your vision. This particular search and selection process allows you to customize from an extensive range of styles, ensuring your login page stands out. With your topic and design decisions made, it's time to proceed by logging in using your Google account. By clicking Continue with Google, you streamline your login process, making it quick and straightforward. This effective method also helps keep your account synced, saving you time in future adjustments or updates. Now, you'll choose a site title. For this project, you'll want to specify that this site focuses on your login page. Having a clear and concise title will help you remain organized and ensure your site does exactly what you intend. Once you've crafted that perfect title, select the style you want for your page, and then click on Next to move forward. Now it's time to build your homepage. Consider how you want users to visually experience your website's main entry point. This setup is crucial because the homepage often forms their first impression. Take your time here, and when satisfied, click Next again to proceed. The following step involves adding any additional pages. If you have other areas in mind to expand your site, this is a great moment to implement them. Squarespace offers various templates and options to make this addition seamless. Once you're done, click Next to continue. Now, let's bring some color into your project by choosing a color palette that matches your brand identity. Pick something that resonates with the message you want your site to convey and proceed by clicking Next. Lastly, personalize your headings. A clear and inviting heading can capture the attention of visitors and improve their overall experience on your site. Once you're happy with your choices, click on Finish to conclude the setup process. That's it. This cohesive approach has led you to your homepage. From here, you can test and adjust any further settings as needed. Now, your login page on Squarespace is not only functional but also reflects your brand beautifully. Enjoy guiding your visitors through a professional, elegant space tailored specifically for you.